Hey guys, this is Joe coming to you from Rice Country, and we're going to be talking about our dual speed sprocket kit. So right here, as you can see, there's two different sprockets, and at the top there's a different kind of sprocket that has two sets of teeth on it. So this is used for countries where you're going to be cutting rice and beans. So in the rice you want a higher torque since the crop is quite a bit heavier, and in beans you want your reel to move quite a bit faster to be able to pick up that ground speed. This kit allows you to swap the chain over without having to remove any sprockets on it. So super cool kit if you're trying to cut multiple different styles of crop. The part number for the dual speed sprocket is 311882. And make sure to get your high torque sprocket for the top. It is brand specific. Have a good day, guys.